Hello, this is Faris Hilmi again. Today, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to do the original foil peel altar for Magic the Gathering. But before that, please subscribe, comment and share this video. So before we start, might as well you give a comment. What card do you want to see me alter?
Okay, so how do we start to peel our foil? Okay, first of all, you have to dip your foil cards in the water and allow it to soak for a few hours or maybe overnight. That's fine, as long as later you can peel the foil layer off the card. Alright, these are still newly soaked, so we can't see the results. However, these are the cards that has been peeled, and I have a bunch of collections you can see here. Alright, so what do we do next? We just take one, for example, and cut it. Alright, maybe we can do like this. Or like this. Or maybe like this. This is one example, and another example. Or maybe a simple basic land foil peel. There are so many ways to do it, as long as you enjoy your foil peel altars.
So what do you think? Easy, right? You can try it yourself, or you can ask me how to commission. See you again. Bye.